If you don't have a Funnels of Course account yet, you can get one completely for free by clicking the link below this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between all the Funnels of Course accounts that we have available, and you can decide which one is right for you. All right, so first of all, we have the Funnels of Course member account. This comes with a 14-day free trial, and then after the 14 days, you get charged $97 a month. With all of this, you get the pre-built digital marketing funnels like Digital Wealth Academy, Ultimate Branding Course, Selling with Confidence, Kingdom Coaching. All of the viral digital marketing course funnels are available. We also pre-built link and bio funnels, freebie funnels, email automations. So everything is completely pre-built for you, ready to launch. Then you get all the software features unlimited. So you get every single feature included in Funnels of Course in the free trial. The free trial has a resale opportunity where you can earn monthly recurring commissions by promoting Funnels of Course. The free trial gives you a 1-tier commission at 35%. So when someone buys Funnels of Course via your link, you earn $35 from the $97. So this gives you a tier 1 35% commission. All right, and then we have the monthly plan. The monthly is where you skip the trial and you pay the $97 immediately. The big difference between the free trial and the monthly is that once you pay the $97, you get enrolled into our one-on-one onboarding. So you get the personalized onboarding, which is a 4-week intensive onboarding where they work with you for 1 hour. You get the tech setup done for you. You get taken through the entire software suite. Your entire business is set up. So by the end of those 4 weeks, you're a pro, you know everything that's going on. You can completely launch your business and ready to roll with our done for you onboarding. You also get access to 24/7 support via live chat and Zoom. One of the big features as well that we launched recently that's included in the user plan is our full bot AI funnels. So this is something completely new to this space where we developed 4 AI bots that works on the funnel that captures your leads, converts your leads, sends your backend automations. So this is a completely done for you AI system where you can now sell digital products with AI funnels. So this is also included in the monthly plan, which is a very, very big bonus. All right, and then you also get free academy access to the Funnels of Course Academy on School. You get free access to our lead gen software. This is built into Funnels of Course, which is a lead gen software that you can use to search B2B and B2C leads in order to get more leads for your business. And then you also get all the latest Digital Wealth Academy and digital marketing funnels. So whenever one of the digital affiliate funnels is updated, you get first access to that. All right, and this also comes with a resale opportunity of tier 1, 35%. So should you resell Funnels of Course as an affiliate and someone buys the $97 account from you, then you would earn 35% commission on that. All right, and then we have our yearly plan. So the big, big difference between the yearly plan and the free account and the monthly account is that the yearly account comes with a 3-tier resale license. So when you sign up for the yearly plan, you get 12 months unlimited software access with all the features, but you also get to resell this entire system and earn $500 on all your sales. And should someone buy from that person, the level 2 sales, you get $100 from level 2. And should that person resell it, you get $100 on level 3. So this is the highest commission we've ever given and the highest in the industry. And this allows you to create a true passive income business where you earn from your direct sales and from all the level 2 and level 3 sales, which becomes completely passive. All right, along with our resale commission, we also give you weekly coaching and community, which is included for the yearly partners in order to help them scale and grow their affiliate commissions with our resale license. And then you get exclusive advertising, access to our content vault and our Facebook ads content, everything we do as a business to run our own advertising content, you get access to that. And you also get 2 months free. So instead of charging 1164 for the 12 months, which is $97 times 12, we give you 2 months for free. You get a free link in bio funnel setup. So this is your link in bio where your offers are hosted, your freebies, your email automations, all of that is set up for you with $97, 197, sorry. And then you also get the free AI funnel setup. So as I mentioned in this monthly plan where we have the 4 bot funnels, when you purchase the yearly one, we actually set all of that up for you. So we would go ahead and install the bots in your account. We would set up the phone numbers, your affiliate links. So by the end of this, you have a fully working 4 bot AI funnel that captures the lead, sends email automations, follow up. You have a live chat bot on your site. You have a live phone bot that talks via phone call to your leads. All of that is set up completely for you. And then, as I mentioned, the resale. I mean, this is the biggest one of all, so it's worth mentioning again. All right, so this is just an overview of this. You'll see currently, if you click on this link during December time, then you would see our holiday specials. Every now and again, we change up these plans by adding additional bonuses, adding more value, or maybe like PLR products. We do a lot of giveaways where we use gifts and additional content to help our members sell more by making the packages more attractive by adding bonuses and things. But when you come to this page, this is the base packages. So we'll always have the 14-day free trial, the monthly plan, and the yearly plan. And the big difference between all of that is the tiers of commission. So these two being at 35% and this one being at 50%, 10%, and 10%. And the very big difference as well is the done for you aspect that you get with the yearly plan. All right, so you're welcome to reach out to me at info@funnelsofcourse.com if you have any more questions. But this is just an overview of how the packages works, and here you're welcome to decide which one is best for you. We've tried to make it as accessible for everyone by catering to everyone at every level, from free to $97 a month to $970 a year. All right, so I hope you enjoy, and please reach out if you have any questions.